Welcome to AVAMIGRATRON. In this video, let's get to know how you can create Teams app for authentication with AVAMIGRATRON. Creating a Teams app for authentication ensures a secure and efficient connection to your Microsoft Teams environment. Begin by logging into entra.microsoft.com. Once logged in, navigate to the Applications tab and select App Registrations. Click on New Registration and enter the display name for your application. Choose the appropriate account type for application accessibility. Then, enter the redirect URL for authentication purposes and click Register to create the application. After registration, go to the Authentication tab under the Manage column. Add another redirect URL for connecting to the service account. Choose the account type and enable public access under Advanced Options and save the changes. Next, navigate to the API Permissions tab and click on Add a Permission. Select Microsoft Graph for permission access. Choose the type of permission required based on your needs, based on our tool guide for reference. After selecting the permissions, you'll be directed to the Configured Permission column. Click on Grant Admin Consent and confirm to grant access. Proceed to the Certificates and Secrets tab to add the client secrets. Click on New Client Secret, enter the description, expiration period, and click Add. Copy the generated value URL and keep it secure, as it will only be visible once. You can also find important details, including the client ID and other essential credentials, in the Overview section. And there you go! Creating a Teams app for authenticating to AVAMIGRATRON is simpler than ever. Ready to make the switch? Reach out to us at sales@avamigratron.com for questions or demos. We would love to connect with you for a smooth migration journey.